Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a gun before landing in Fortnite. To start, pick a landing zone known for good loot, like a named location or a hot drop. Aim for a direct, vertical descent to reach the ground as quickly as possible. As you fall, scan the area for weapons that have already spawned, often visible on rooftops or open ground. Securing a weapon immediately gives you a significant advantage in early engagements. Mastering your descent is key to an early weapon. Deploy your glider at the absolute lowest point to minimize airtime. Utilize the fast fall technique by looking straight down, which increases your drop speed. As you approach, fine-tune your trajectory to land directly on a weapon, saving precious seconds. Consistent practice with different drop angles will significantly improve your early game success. When you hit the ground, your priority is any weapon, regardless of its rarity. A common pistol is better than no weapon at all. Shotguns are excellent for the close quarters battles common right after landing, offering high burst damage. Assault rifles provide more versatility for slightly longer engagements. Remember, securing a weapon takes precedence over collecting healing items or materials in the first few seconds. Once you have a weapon, immediately assess your surroundings. Engage any nearby opponents quickly, using your newfound advantage. After securing a kill or two, gather a small amount of building materials, perhaps 100 to 200 units, for immediate defense. Listen carefully for enemy footsteps or gunfire to anticipate their movements. Then, secure a more advantageous position to continue your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.